On my way to Cycle Gear now to pick up my tire. I'm excited, man. I'm really glad that they had a tire in stock that fit my bike, because everybody else said, 3 to 5 business days to be able to get the tire in and all that. I'm a little impatient, so it's cool how everything started working out. But all right, I'll see you guys in a minute. So I got the new tire from Cycle Gear, brand new, 180 55, the same exact measurements for a CBR 600RR for the 06, definitely 05, 06. Not sure if it's different for newer models. Go ahead, take this sticker out.
One eternity later.
So what I'm gonna do first is, this is the sprocket right here, right? What I'm gonna do is take these little bushings, and then I'm going to fit them right into the center of the tire right here. And you can almost see where the dots are already. That's exactly where they were before. So just like that. They go in just like that.
I'm gonna do that for all of them. Just repeat the process.
All right. Then the sprocket itself is going to go on right on top of it. Put the tire sprocket side, obviously where the chain's supposed to go. I'm gonna put the tire right on. I'm gonna even it out and then put this axle back through the middle. Balance it with my foot. I don't want too much weight on that axle, and then try to feed the chain through. This is a spacer. Spacer goes on this end of the tire, just like that. And then the other spacer is right here, and it'll go on this end right there, leaving this piece attached to the axle. And then on the other side, this piece will go on this end. Is this like this? Okay. Oh my God.
Whoa. Spicy gonna do it? Oh my God.
So that was a very difficult part, was putting it back on. Very easy to take it off. As you can see, I put the braking nut back on with the washer, and then the square piece. It was hard to kind of balance it through for the axle to go through the hole, because it had to go through the washer, it had to go through the square piece, it had to go through this bar and all that stuff. But it's stabilized now. The slack on my chain is where it needs to be. So now I'm just gonna tighten this bad boy up.